Hi, Mike Price with PolishedCrete here again today to kind of give you some background on some of our favorite relationship general contractors that we work with and maybe talk about a project or two. Okay, so today we have Kurt Wagerman with us with SC Builders. And you know, SC Builders and Bay Area Concrete has worked together a lot in the past, and we just thought we'd highlight a few projects today. And we're in San Francisco in Kirk's office here, and we thought that we might get a little background on Kurt. Kurt, why don't you tell us a little bit about yourself?
So I've been in this business for 25 years. It's sad to say that it's been that long, but it has. Been with SC Builders for 13 years. And you know, most of the work that we do is with tech companies. SC Builders was started and founded in Sunnyvale. They're a 15-year-old company this year. And being that we're, you know, a Silicon Valley contractor, most of the work that we've done in our history has been with, you know, tech companies and some of the better known ones in the Bay Area. Google being one that we're very happy to do work for today and have been doing work for almost going on 10 years now. It's hard to believe it's been that long. Facebook is another one that we've done a lot of work for. We just recently finished up their campus expansion or move into Menlo Park. That was 1 million square feet that we TI'd for them. But a lot of the big names, Intuit, Qualcomm, and because of that, and because polished concrete is something that's really gotten a lot of architects love it, and I think the tech companies like that industrial look. We're running into it more and more every day, so that's what kind of brings us together.
Yeah, they do love that eco-friendly look. That life cycle of polished concrete is a 30-year plus life cycle with a very low annual cost to maintain, and they like that, and they like the fact that we're not raping Mother Earth to get our materials. We're honing the concrete surface that's already there in most cases. Mm-hmm. With regard to Humble Bundle, which is a high-tech company that you brought to us, which was, you know, we're thankful for that relationship. We went in and did something a little different. We did a 3/8-inch overlay because the existing concrete was not in good shape. And so we brought in a cementitious product, and we polished and honed that. And Kirk was kind enough to bring us into that job. Kirk, can you tell us a little bit maybe why you brought us into that job? Were you feeling like maybe we were the right guys, or what was your...
Well, definitely. I mean, you guys have a lot of experience in this product, and they wanted something different. They didn't just want a polished concrete floor. For whatever reason, they were very concerned about the levelness of the floor. Their existing space that they had just not been in that long, but one of their big things they didn't like about it was that the floor was uneven and their chairs were sliding around, and so they wanted us to, they wanted the look of polished concrete, but they also wanted some way to kind of level and smooth out that floor. So we talked to Bay Area Concrete and said, hey, how can we kind of accomplish both these things?
Yeah, that was great. That was great. That was an exciting project because it was unique in that it was, you know, post-street, the 11th floor. Is that building 100 years old or something?
Yeah, very nice building.
Very beautiful building, nice architecture, but just an older floor, kind of some humps and some ups and downs. So we did level it, and we did add some sand into the matrix so that when we polished it, it would have the look of actual concrete, even though it was 3/8 of an inch thick. And it came out pretty nice, so we were pretty happy with that floor. But these are the kind of things that we do when we partner with great general contractors like SC Builders. You know, we have a handful of guys in the Bay Area that we love to work with and that have the relationships with the high-tech firms. And we've worked also, you know, on the Googles and the Apples and the Facebooks and the Intuit and the Square and the Twitter, and you go on and on, right?
Sure.
But we're thankful for all those great high-tech companies and what they bring to the architectural world in the form of our products, you know, polished concrete, overlays, stained concrete, dye concrete. There's just a lot of unique things out there we do a lot of neat things with. And, you know, from my background and all my experience in this business, we find that more and more we're on interiors doing architectural finishes, and they revolve around polished concrete. So it's just great to have guys like Kirk in our wheelhouse here, and to be able to communicate together and work together and really bring the client in, right? And we love, you know us, we like to work in a relationship where we've got your superintendent, your project manager, even the project engineer, and a lot of times the owner or the owner's rep on site, so that our communication chain stays in line for the most part.
And it definitely took a little bit more coordination on the Humble Bundle project because of the overlay. So I mean, we really had to think about not only the flooring finish that you were providing, but there were rooms with carpet and new door frames that were going in. So it was really a combined effort to make sure we considered all those things so that the final product would look seamless.
Right.
And it really did turn out great. But we appreciate the back and forth and making sure you guys telling us to make sure, hey, think about this and how are these transitions going to work. So it took a little bit more effort, but it's a great finished product.
Yeah, we look forward to the next one for sure.
Yeah, definitely.
All righty, well, thanks, Kirk.
Great.
Appreciate
Thank you.
it. Had a good time.
Yeah.
All right.
Thanks.
Thanks, folks.